Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar fountain for bird bath that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the AICEN Solar Fountain Pump 2.5 watts. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want to try out a solar-powered bird bath fountain without breaking the bank. It features high-performance solar panels that kick into action as soon as they're exposed to sunlight, making it an eco-friendly choice. The pump comes with 6 adjustable spray modes, so you can customize the water patterns to suit your garden aesthetic or bird bath size. In terms of design and build quality, the AICEN 2.5 watt solar fountain has a compact diameter of 6.7 inches and a lightweight construction, making it easy to set up and maneuver. The stainless steel material ensures durability, although it's not as heavy-duty as premium models. The suspension bracket is a thoughtful addition, keeping the fountain stable and preventing it from floating freely. Performance-wise, this fountain delivers a spray height of 15 to 27 inches, depending on sunlight intensity. While it works well in direct sunlight, it's important to note that it doesn't store energy, so cloudy days can impact performance. It's ideal for small bird baths, fish tanks, or ponds, and it's surprisingly versatile for its price point. The main downside is occasional clogging in the pump, which requires regular cleaning. Still, for just $9.99, a solid entry-level option for eco-conscious gardeners. At number 4, we have the MadMax 1-watt solar bird bath fountain pump. This model is slightly more expensive than the AICEN 2.5 watt, but it offers some excellent features for its price. It boasts a 1-watt solar panel that begins operating within seconds under direct sunlight, with a spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters. The inclusion of 6 nozzles lets you experiment with different water patterns, adding a dynamic touch to your garden. Design-wise, the MadMax 1-watt fountain pump is lightweight, compact, and easy to install. It also comes with a retainer to fix the pump in the center of your bird bath, ensuring the water doesn't splash outside and empty the basin. The build quality is solid for its price, though it's made of plastic, which might not be as durable as higher-end models. When it comes to performance, the spray height is impressive, and it consistently attracts birds to your garden. However, like most entry-level solar fountains, it doesn't work on cloudy days and requires direct sunlight to function. Regular cleaning is necessary to prevent clogging, but overall, this is a great mid-tier option for casual users who want to upgrade their outdoor space without spending too much. Taking the number 3 spot is the MadMax Solar Bird Bath Fountains Pump Upgrade 1.4W. This model offers a great balance between affordability and performance, making it a popular choice among users. It features a 1.4W solar panel and a spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters, providing a slightly stronger output compared to the 1W model. The 6 included nozzles offer versatility, allowing you to create unique water patterns to complement your garden's ambiance. One standout feature is the retainer, which keeps the pump fixed in the center of your bird bath to prevent water from splashing out. The design is compact and lightweight, with durable plastic construction that feels sturdy for its price. It's easy to set up and starts working almost instantly in direct sunlight. Performance-wise, the MadMax 1.4W handles clean water efficiently. Though regular maintenance is required to avoid clogging, it's perfect for bird baths, small ponds, or even fish tanks, and it's known for attracting hummingbirds to your garden. However, like other solar fountains, it doesn't store energy for nighttime use. At $16.79, it's a reliable choice for those seeking an upgrade without venturing into premium territory. Coming in at number 2, we have the MadMax Upgraded Solar Fountain with 3.5 watt power. This model is an excellent choice for those who want a more powerful solar fountain without stepping into premium pricing. The 3.5-watt solar panel ensures high efficiency and stable operation, even in less than perfect sunlight conditions. It features 4 upgraded nozzles, allowing for different spray patterns and easy installation. The design is thoughtful and practical, with a retractable retainer that keeps the pump stable and prevents water from splashing outside the bath. Additionally, this model comes with a removable filtration box that helps block dirt and debris, extending the pump's lifespan. At 2.2 inches tall, this fountain has a solid build quality that feels durable and reliable. Performance-wise, the MadMax 3.5-watt model impresses with a spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters and smooth operation in clean water. The filtration system is a game-changer for reducing maintenance needs. While it doesn't store energy for nighttime use, its eco-friendly design and consistent performance make it a fantastic option for gardens, ponds, and bird baths. At $16.98, it offers great value for its power and features. Finally, at number 1, we have the AICEN 3.5-watt solar fountain pump, the premium option on our list. With its upgraded 3.5-watt solar panel, this fountain offers the highest solar energy conversion efficiency among the products we reviewed. It sprays water almost instantly when exposed to sunlight, with a height that adjusts based on sunlight intensity. The standout feature here is its separate design, which allows you to set up a DIY water feature or circulation system with a 9.8-foot cord connecting the pump to the solar panel. The design is sleek and functional, featuring high-quality materials that feel robust and durable. It includes multiple nozzles for different spray styles, and the retractable stand ensures the fountain stays in the center of your bird bath, avoiding unnecessary splashing. The water shortage protection and filtration system are excellent additions, reducing the need for frequent refills and maintenance. Performance-wise, the AICEN 3.5-watt is impressive. It's perfect for larger bird baths, ponds, or even aquariums, and it consistently attracts birds and adds vibrancy to your garden. The only downside is its higher price point at $24.99. But for the durable construction, powerful solar panel, and customizable features, it's a worthwhile investment for serious gardeners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.